Unlock the power of your email list, why it's the new currency. Welcome to our video about the power of your email list. In today's digital age, email lists are currency. Email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent, making it the most effective way to reach your target audience. The first step in leveraging the power of your email list is to build one. Make sure you have an email sign-up form on your website. And use lead magnets such as free ebooks, webinars, or discount codes to incentivize people to join your list. Once you've built a list, the next step is to segment it. You can segment your email list by demographics, interests, purchase history, or engagement levels. This allows you to target your emails more effectively and increase your conversion rates. Personalize your emails by including the subscriber's name and other relevant information. Personalized emails have a higher open and click-through rate than generic mass emails, increasing the chances of conversion. Use email automation to save time and increase efficiency. Create automated email workflows for welcome series, abandoned carts, or post-purchase follow-ups. This way, you can nurture leads and increase customer engagement without spending too much time. Name, measure results narration. Finally, measure your email marketing efforts regularly to improve your results. Look at metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates to see what's working and what's not. There you have it, folks, the power of your email list. By building a robust email list, segmenting it, personalizing it, automating it, and measuring your results, you can drive more traffic, increase your conversion rates, and boost your revenue.